let's keep it aside. Now it's time for this board to work on. Now applying flux over such boards, the best way is to put some flux over this. And pre-solder the joints where you want to work. Okay. This was the portion which we sanded off, and now we will try to solder some of this portion. And if I apply flux, it is not easy. That the solder will be this good. Look at this. This is not evenly joined. And look at this now, the difference. So now we'll take some components. Okay, let's take this. These are the joints. Sorry, terminals. Take one out. And I have not applied the flux over the ends of the blue terminal, so I'll simply take some flux. Take some more for a second. Okay. I have not soldered it yet. I'm just showing you. The flux is evenly distributed over both of the ends. Now simply take the solder wire, and the first one. Look how good of a joint it is. We'll do the same for the second one. Adjust the angle where it suits you best, and then it's just a single second. If you look closely, the other block is clear. So if I can show you with something, okay, this, see? This block is not touching the other block. There is a clear difference between both of the blocks, and same for this one. If two blocks touch each other or join each other, there is a chance of short circuit or your circuit not working properly. In that case, just take your soldering iron. Okay, first I'll join two blocks. If I can join them. Not able even to join two blocks, but the solution, if it's joined together, just take your soldering iron and spread it like any other direction, this way. These blocks are closed now. Just put your solder iron tape over them. Just a little bit. Last one. Another one. This is how you can work with such boards. You can easily join any component like this. Okay, the precaution you need to take is to not overheat any single block. If I can show you, or if you can listen to the sound. Okay, I'm purposely overheating single block. The copper will tear apart and your board will be damaged from that specific block. Okay guys, it's not showing off in the video, but I can listen clearly. It will eventually peel off, and those specific block will be damaged. Okay, now we'll let's take another component which is called diode. We'll be working with them if you are a beginner. Okay, I'll do this one part over the portion where we peeled off, and the other one where we did not peel off. Oh, sorry, not peeled off, did not use sandpaper. I'll try and solder this. Apply some flux, take some flux over there. So this is the portion where we did not apply the sandpaper. Apply some flux over there. I can show you. These two blocks were joined together, and it took a lot more time than this one to solder on this portion, and it's not even soldered properly. Okay, I'm doing it again. Okay, it's a pretty good joint, but you'll know what I mean once you start working with these boards. Once you have soldered the components, just cut off the other ends. You no longer need to feather. Simple. This is how you can solder any component. With the component or any component over board. Okay, we'll do one last example for soldering. Let me just keep this on the side for now. Okay, this two can just go here. Okay, I have here is this lithium-ion cells. The solder is already over here over these two joints. First of all, if you're working with such things, you need to be very careful because if it gets too hot, it will damage the cell. Soldering these strips are very easy. We'll do same what we've been doing for a while. Apply some flux. And it's good to go. Okay, I'll take the file. The one we used earlier. Okay, enough with the soldering part.